everyone, today we are at Balanghay, a Filipino buffet restaurant from the Luzon, Visayas, to Mindanao. This may be the ultimate Filipino buffet experience. So with just 649 pesos, we're going to try the whole Philippines, this one restaurant. Alright, so we are now inside the Balanghay restaurant, and then we got our reservation. We got a wristband over here. And actually, this buffet is a pay first before you eat meal. So they're gonna call our name, and then we're gonna pay first on this counter over there. And then after that, I can show you the buffet. Okay, so this is the buffet area. It's a pretty small buffet area. I actually expected a lot bigger. And let's start first with this section. I think these are the rice section. We got some rice. We got also some savory section, I think. We got different, what is this? Binambungang manok. Not sure what is that. That doesn't look like manok, more like pork to me. Here we got the manok. Yeah, this actually is a manok. Binambungang manok. I think some sort of a Filipino style cooking. Got some vegetables. We got the usual. I think, yeah, I recognize this. This is the pinakbet. I think this is the only dish that I recognize in this buffet. Otherwise, everything here is pretty unique to me. It is said that in their description that their food here are from the different parts of Philippines. It may be from Luzon, maybe from Visayas, or it may also be from Mindanao. So yeah, let's take a look more. Here we got some drinks. That's not. Here we got the usual fruits. Nothing unique about that. A salad section. This might be the most boring salad section. We got some lettuce, some tomato and onion. That's it. Maybe Filipinos don't like salad, you know? So yeah, let's head on. We got some balut over here. Wow. Flashback to my balut memories. Yeah. Here we got some usual Filipino food, some menudo. We got the adobo. I think this section over here is mostly pork. We got from pork adobo, menudo. We got some bistek, Filipino pork bistek. We got some binagoongan baboy. Wow, we got some mopis. Yeah, I think this is the pork section of the buffet. Here, following on, we got some. I think this is the seafood section. We got some catfish here. There's some catfish. Yeah, the usual catfish, and then the usual Filipino tilapia. Okay, wow, we also got something wrapped in, I think, banana leaf. So let's call this. We call this binutog from Bicol region of the Philippines. Looks pretty interesting. And then here we got our dessert section. Yeah, we got some flan, leche flan, buko pandan, fruit salad, yeah, usual Filipino dessert, and mango tapioca. I think it's mango sago, and coffee jelly. Wow. So yeah, I'm excited to try this buffet. Alright, it's now our turn to get some food. This is the sinangag, the garlic rice. Let's get a piece of everything. Whoa, we got a talong. So actually, I forgot to tell you guys that the actual price is not only 650 pesos after the additional charge of the VAT and service charge. It's around 700 per person actually. So before we start, let's try some pineapple juice first. It's their Balanghay pineapple juice. Tastes like pineapple juice in the powder. Pretty refreshing. Alright, let's start with our main meal. Alright, so our first round, we got a typical Filipino meal, I think. We got some vegetables, we got some rice, also got some pork. Everything mixed on a plate. And then let's begin. Start with this vegetable and some sort of meat. I think this is lungs. So let's start with that. So cheers everyone. You eat first. Wow, very good. It's just a little bit salty, a little bit sour, and Pretty savory. A little bit on the saltier side. Next, let's try the chicken. Chicken in coconut milk, I think. So, small bite. Fresh coconut milk flavor. This one is a little bit bland. Next thing on our plate, we got, I think it's pork knuckles. Let's get some pork knuckles. Here's the pork knuckles. It's packed with flavor. It's a strong star anise flavor. I like it. So far, the food on our plate are half good and half meh, not that okay, not that good. Next one, let's try the talong. Eggplant, it's tortang talong with rice. Pretty fragrant, but again, yeah, it lacks a little bit of flavor. Yeah, now I see it. Some food are a little bit bland. Some are overly salty. As we got the yellow rice. It's a yellow glutinous rice. Bringhe, they call this bringhe. It's alright. Alright, let's finish everything on our first plate, and then let's go for round 2. Then let's get a fish. Let's get a whole fish head. Let's get some lechon. The lechon doesn't have any skin anymore. It's all just meat. Let's pick and some sauce. Okay, so for round 2, we got some lechon, some innards, some again. It's almost everything here is pork base. We got some adobo, with some menudo. Adobo. We got some menudo. We got a half piece of balut. So I think it's the egg white only and some egg yolk. And then this one. Let's try this one first. So let's start with this small wrap. Something wrapped inside this banana leaf. Whoa, what's this? Whoa, I think it's rice. I think it's glutinous rice. I think it's glutinous rice in coconut milk again. Let's take a piece of that. Oh wow, yeah, it's glutinous rice. Let's try this one. It doesn't have any taste except for some coconut aroma. I think you are meant to pair this with some ulams. Okay, let's try this rice with. Let's try with the adobo. So we got the adobo here. Wow. Adobo's tender and wow, very flavorful. And the rice. Savoriness from the adobo plus the creaminess from the glutinous rice. Wow, it's a match made in heaven. Oh yeah, you should definitely try this pair when you got here in Barangay. Next up, let's try the, I don't know what's this, bistek Tagalog. This is my favorite Filipino dish. Oh, wait, speak that up again. It's my favorite Filipino dish, bistek Tagalog. So this thinly sliced pork cooked in vinegar and onion. Wow, I can feel now that round 2 is gonna be better than round 1. Oh, and then the lechon, let's try the lechon next. Pretty flavorful, a little bit dry only, but yeah. And next up on our plate, we also got the balut. Oh yeah. I'm getting flashbacks from past episodes. Go. Yeah, balut. Hope this one is good. Let's try this one. Whoa. What? Why is this hard? Is this supposed to be hard? Yes. It's so hard. It's like rubber. Nah. Not my type of food. And then let's try the fish head next. Got fish head tilapia. A little bit bland, a little bit dry. I think you're supposed to have some sauce with that. Wait, I come back and I'll just get some sauce. Alright, so we got our sauce here. We got some toyomansi with onion and some peppers. So yeah, just put it on our fish. Yeah. Oh, there's a spicy pepper. Wait a minute. Look at this. It's actually filling inside this fish. I think some tomato. There's tomato inside. Tomato and onions. Wow. So it's pretty unique. I've never seen stuffed fried fish like that. Let's try the stuffed tomato and onions inside the fish with the fish itself. Here we go. Oh. So I saw some people getting some soup. Soup looks pretty nice. So let's also get some soup here. So here we got the soup option they got is this vinakol the manok. Here we got some sinigang and this is nilagang baboy. I think I got a nilagang baboy. Oh, some baboy. Alright, I think we're good. Alright, so we got our soup now, and then we got our finger foods. Alright, so here our last savory round. We got some finger foods, and then we got the soup. Let's try the soup first. This is the nilagang baboy. So let's take a piece of pork and then get some soup. Oh, I think I got too little few of the soup here. Let's try the soup first. Oh, clean tasting pork broth. Hear the pork? Very tender pork. Very nice. Next up, let's try the skewers. So I think this is our beef skewers. We got two kinds of beef skewers here. One is lungs and one is tendon. So let's try this one. Soft, a little bit sweet, a little bit bland. Here, let's try the tendon and fat, I think. This one's a little bit sour. And here, what we got here is chicken heart. I can see that. It's chicken heart. I think grilled chicken heart. Alright, so let's try this one. Whoa. What in the chicken heart is this? Yeah, it's dry. It's hard. Nah, it's not that good. It's not good. And then another thing we got on our plate is the empanada. Let's open this one up. Oh, it's a pretty boring empanada. I think it's potato by empanada. The crust smells pretty fragrant though. It smells like fried dough. Inside, I think it's potato and some pork. Yeah, sweet potato and some pork. The crust is so fluffy and so buttery. This one is another good thing here in the restaurant. All right, it's now time for some desserts. Whoa, what we have here? Are these some muffin? Are these some filled muffin? Why does it look like that? Nevertheless, let's get a piece of muffin. Weird looking muffin. And then I think we ran out of desserts now. Isa pong leche flan mocha. Tsaka buko pandan, tsaka mango. Thank you. Oh, so we got some desserts. So here, let's try some ice cream. Okay, let's scoop our own ice cream. I think this is uba ice cream with cheese. Wow. Ay, mm. Oh, these are some pretty soft ice cream. Alright, so for our last round, we got our dessert. Let's try this weird looking muffin first. Weird looking muffin. Or it's really shaped like that. Alright, let's try this muffin. This cheese muffin. It's pretty dry. It's pretty dry, lacks a lot of moisture. So let's try the leche flan. This leche flan mocha. So I think this is leche flan with some coffee. Wow. Pretty weird leche flan. Coffee flavored leche flan. Yeah. Not that good. Oh. Someone's raging right now. Not that good. Let's try the ice cream next. We got some chocolate ice cream and then some ube ice cream. Try chocolate first. It's not chocolate ice cream. It's peanut butter ice cream. Very rich peanut flavor. And here, ube ice cream. Wow. Ice creams are very good. So this is ube and makapuno ice cream with some cheese in it. It's peanut butter ice cream. Wow. I enjoy the peanut butter ice cream. Wow. You can really taste the peanut flavor in it. It's like it's not like peanut butter flavor, but it's more like a hand crushed peanut flavor. Wow. Oh, so that ends our video today at Balanghay. Alright, to wrap up our experience, I actually expected more from the restaurant because from their description on the internet, they have food variety from the Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. But what you see today, those are actually just a few variety options of food displayed on the buffet counter. So yeah, maybe if you come here on a good day, you might have a better experience than me. But nonetheless, the food-wise, I gave it a maybe 7 out of 10. Just barely passing. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next food adventure. Kaya na ba? Oh my god. That's the fifth ending. Man, I need to practice my vocabularies and I need to practice my English speaking grammar properly so that my viewers will enjoy my video. Thank you very much.